Hello viewers, in this tutorial I am going to talk about how to create secondary axis in MS Excel. We all know how to create primary axis, but secondary axis is little bit difficult but not so much difficult. You can do. You can see the data of three variables: stream order, stream frequency, mean stream length. Then insert, then chart, select one. You can see the chart where three variables are showing in one axis, means primary axis, but we want to insert secondary axis. Then quick layout in chart design. Then select the last third option. Yes, right. Then you can move the legend, otherwise don't move. Then you can delete the grid lines. It will show nice if you delete the grid lines. Then here minus 100 minus 200 is showing format axis. Then minimum value you can make it 0. Okay. Now you are seeing then axis options, logarithmic scale. It will be better for this relation, means stream order and stream frequency. But now click on the secondary axis data, then secondary axis in series options, and then minimum value 0. Okay, then it looks like very nice. Then home, you can increase or decrease the title and the legend written here. You can little modify using axis options, or you can fill color and you can change the line color using this option in axis options. Okay, yes, it is showing deep black. It was not deep black. You can increase this font size. In case of logarithmic scale, logarithmic scale starts from 1 but not 0. So 0 value is not taken here. Okay. You can change axis title, etc. Axis title, secondary axis title, then change. Okay, it looks like very nice. Now change the chart title. Okay, this is the whole process. You can follow, and please hit the subscribe button and also hit the like button and comment me if any queries regarding this all thing which I will solve. Thank you so much.